going on, everybody? This is going to be a quick video on how to get really familiar with your paradiddle. So what we're going to do is we're going to put an accent on all the subdivisions all the way around, and we're going to do 16th notes. So we have 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. Whoa! Super just started raining in the middle of my video. This is crazy. Alright, I'm going to start over. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... And then you can just keep doing that over and over and over again. But the more you get familiar with it, the more you're going to build your chops. And I need to keep building mine, but I'm going to get to a really good speed eventually, and then I might post a video on that. But yeah, comment if you have any questions, I'll respond. I've been seeing some people down there, which is nice. Nice to see new faces. But hoping to get more.